Hi there, welcome to Homeschooling with Hera. Hope you all are doing well. Today's video is about the games for capital letters. Once you have introduced capital letters through flashcards, now our aim is to make the kids memorize those capital letters and their corresponding sounds as well. As in most of the schools, we introduce sounds first. It means the small letters, and we can immediately start reading if we give sounds to the kids first. However, we need to introduce capital letters side by side so that when they start reading a book, they must be familiar with the capital letters and they must have this sense that the capital letters have the same sounds as their corresponding small letters, right? So here are a few DIY exercises that you can make in no time and in no cost. To make these cards, you can use card sheets or you can even laminate them to extend their life. And it will be a lifetime aid if you are a homeschooler or running a tuition center at your home, or even if you are a teacher who has less resources to buy things. So you can make these things on your own, and believe me, they are so useful. At the end of the video, I shall also show you some worksheets and will share the PDF links of those worksheets in the description box. You can download them free as well. So come on, without wasting any time, let's get straight into it. Alright, so here's the first game. In this, what you have to do, you just have to make a circle like this. Just cut it with the card sheet and you can write small letters on it, right? Just be careful that write those small letters of which capital letters you want to introduce. Like if you want to introduce the capital letters of S, A, T, A, P, N. So write these letters and then take some pegs like this. You can either paste a paper here and write capital letters over this, or you can take the wooden pegs and write directly over them. Now show the child that what he has to do, he has to find out the capital letter for this A. So he will find where is A. Okay, it's here. So come on, let's match it. This kind of muscle movement will also improve his pencil holding, okay? Now for P, find out. T. So here is this. You can even write all the 26 letters and make a wheel with that. You can also make some strips like this. Write the small letter here and then give some options with the capital letters, so the child has to find out the correct capital letter and then just put this peg over that like this. This is J and this is J. This is T and this is T. You can make strips like this for all the 26 letters. Now in these cards, you can give the capital letter to the kid and ask him to find out the corresponding small letter or the sound of this letter. This is E, this is H, and this is G. G and G. They are same. Put the peg here. Okay. Now for M, M. This is N, this is and this is O. So goes with M. Just put the peg here and this is done. In these strips, we gave the child small letters to match it with the corresponding capital letter. And in these cards, we have given him the capital letter to match it with the corresponding small letter. Now look at this. You can also make cards like this. It's B, ball. And if you open this card and turn it back, here comes the capital letter. B, B, ball. B, B, ball. Now this is for a, umbrella, a, umbrella. Turn it to find out the capital letter. Oh, it's U, U, a, U, a, umbrella. This one is hat. So you can also make these cards from A to Z. Now here are some worksheets. You can find the PDF links for them in the description box. You can download them. That's all for today's video. I shall see you soon with something new. Take care. Bye for now. Bye.